so many gears, I must confess. Suspension, groaning, change the whine. Too much, everything did just sign. But on the trail, you're on the trail. A different scene, a single wheel, a king of kings. Oh, the mountain unicycle, pure and bold. A story in its simplicity to be told. The minimal machine, the ultimate ride, where the wild heart of nature can't confide. Climbing slopes, a test of will, roots and rocks, standing still, a whispered breath, a focused stare, every muscle straining beyond compare, every muscle straining beyond compare. The world below, a distant haze, lost in the rhythm of these mountain days. Oh, the mountain unicycle, pure and bold, a story in its simplicity to be told. The minimal machine, the ultimate ride, where the wild heart of nature can't confide. Some call it crazy, a foolish quest, but when you're flying, you feel the best. It strips away the noise.